It's so dangerous to go to these temples because on the way there is a place called Nadapuram, and in the market, in the Angadi of Nadapuram, there are some ruffians. There is a disturbance, regular disturbances from certain ruffians who are known as Jonaga. So these Jonagas has been eve teasing the women and also abducting good-looking women and children. So it's not safe to go through that area. She then asked the mother-in-law also. She too warned her the same. Then she asked her husband. Husband also tells it's dangerous to go through that area. So here I would like to explain a bit about the Jonagas, because everyone, overall, we have been hearing the Unniyarcha's story. Unniyarcha's bravery has been praised everywhere, even in our university syllabus there is, and there all it is been explained that her bravery is symbol or is epitomized by her her encounter with the Jonaga ruffians, but no one really dare to explain who Jonagas are. So Jonagas are Jonaga Mapila. So the main word Mapila, I think everybody are aware of the word Mapila from Kerala. It means bridegroom. So that was a courteous title. Mapila was a courteous title given to the foreign merchants and immigrants to the Malabar coast. So the native Hindus was using this term Mapila to address any foreign merchants and immigrants in the coast, in the Malabar region. But then they had to differentiate between the various types of Mapilas. So Jonaga or Yavanaga Mapila was the name used for the Muslim merchants and settlers. And Nasrani Mapila has been the name, still Nasrani is the name used for depicting the Syrian Christians who has been merchants who has been settled in Kerala coast. Then comes the Juda Mapila. So Juda is Jew, Yehuda Mapila. So these three different kinds of Mapilas were there, and in this region of northern Malabar, the Kadathanad region, in Nadapuram is still existing place, and so there it was Jonaga Mapilas who were creating trouble for the women and children who were passing through that area. These gangs, as I looked into it a bit further, what I understood is that there has been some connection between why there wasn't too much number of Jonaga Mapilas existing in the region. Like, currently the region are more Mapilas, but that all happened later during Tipu's invasion and Malabar raids and all. But at this 12th, 13th, 14th, 16th century and all, Mapilas were not that the majority or anything. So still they were doing this kind of abduction and the women, taking the women and children. It can be connected with the Arabic slave trade, because according to the various historical records, we can see that Malabar coast had real close connection with the Arabian trade. Arabs were having regular trade with the Malabar coast, and many infamous slave trade middlemen were also having close connection with the Malabar coast. And in Malabar Manual, I have seen that a passing reference regarding how the local Mapilas and the Mukkuwas, some fishermen, were involved in, connected with this middleman. So this Nadapuram, the Jonaka ruffians who have been disturbing the women and children in the region of the Nadapuram might have been connected with the slave trade